High-ranking individuals, especially royalty and nobility, were often buried in a set of nested coffins, each offering an additional layer of protection. The inner coffin, the first actual wooden coffin, enclosed the mummy and was usually made of wood or cartonnage. It was richly decorated with inscriptions, religious texts, and symbolic artwork reinforcing beliefs in resurrection. Some were shaped to resemble the deceased, allowing their soul to recognize its body in the afterlife. Enclosing the inner coffin was the outer coffin, the largest wooden coffin, often adorned with hieroglyphs, divine imagery, and protective spells. Pharaohs and high-ranking officials sometimes had these outer coffins covered in gold leaf, signifying their royal and divine status. The inscriptions and religious symbols were meant to aid the deceased on their journey through the underworld, ensuring safe passage to the afterlife. All of these wooden coffins were then placed inside a stone sarcophagus, which was sealed with a heavy lid. This massive stone cover protected the burial from tomb robbers, environmental damage, spiritual threats, and physical decay. Many lids were inscribed with prayers, spells, and the name of the deceased to ensure their identity remained intact in the afterlife. Some featured elaborate carvings of protective deities meant to watch over the body inside. Many sarcophagi were engraved with images of Nut, the sky goddess, symbolizing her embrace as the deceased transitioned into the afterlife. The base of the sarcophagus served as the final resting place, often carved with protective spells and religious imagery. Some even contained small compartments for funerary goods or inscriptions explaining the journey to the next world.